morning I go to work. Depends, face to face or work from home. For today it's face to face, so I need to be going because there will be traffic, so I'll see you there. So where I live in Laguna, Cabuyao, Laguna, and usually there's traffic early in the morning before I go to work. So yeah, hopefully I'm not late for work. Usually we make it on time anyway, but it's hard to drive in traffic. So it's 11 a.m. and I'm done with my work. So now I'm going to Los Baños and I'm going to spend some time with my girlfriend and maybe also do some work online at the same time. Yeah, so first part of the day done, working. Now the afternoon I'm going to go to my girlfriend and maybe later I can play football. So shout out kay Coach Ryan. Maganda ako. Sige, okay ba?
Ganun mo yung ilaw. Ano ba ilaw?
Camera po, camera.
Okay.
Pag naka-goal po kayo, makikita.
Castillo?
Opo.
Okay. Jet?
Opo. Paano pa ako nakilala?
Ano ko ang tatay mag-jump?
Okay po. Renz. Sige. Renz, back.
Anong defending yun?
Nice one. Nice lang.
Nantay ko makapasa eh.
Sige, takpo kayo.
Say! Jet!
Renz. Yeah, ito lang. Overlap. Ayaw. Laglag, nice one. Cross. GB. Woo! Ganda. Isa. Cut back.
Venue.
Hat trick Manon.
Wala.
Saba. Ba't ito hindi goalkeeper? Idol ka to penalty shot out.
Ito mo yun?
Champion May trash talk pang kasama.
Tinrash talk ako nun.
Bago sipa.
Pagkasipa, yung negro.
Minunmark na ako.
Ano ang takbo to?
Ako hindi na natatakbo, huwag ka mag-alala.
Yung ano naman si Dito tatakbo to si Iwanan lang mamaya.
Hindi, ginantok pa ako Pagod ako.
Patay ka.
Sayang. Kakat ko na lang yung pagsipa.
Oo, kat na lang. Go, go, go.
Ito slide din. Gulat ako sa slide mo eh.
Bola lang.
Bola naman. Gila sa magpaiyak ako. Pilay ako isang taon eh. Friends, takbo. Oh. Go, Renz. Cut back! Cut back! Cut back! Ah.
Go, go, go!
Kondisyon si Joey ah. Gili mang, gitna lang. Oh, oh. Yeah. Mana na? Nice one. Turn. You have time. Oh, yeah, go penalty ulit. Go rin, sipa ka. Ay, bola nyo ba? Pa isa lang. Sige, may tatry lang ako. Ano ba yung ano? Kay Jorginho?
I actually don't watch football.
Di mo alam?
I don't watch football. Ano, Ivan Tony.
Try ko.
Tingnan mo.
Oo nga, try ko. You don't watch football? Like, kahit TikTok?
Nobody, I've never seen anybody do that.
Well, yeah. In real game. Ivan Tony. Hindi, tignan mo ha. Root!
Punta siyang pa-right eh. Pero siya yung pa-right. I keep on guessing right naman.
You guessed late. Kaya you're guessing right kasi you guessed late. Sige nga, how you take pen. Ah! Mababalik ka na. Thank you po. Nice game. 5 goals kayo? 5 goals pa ba kayo? Oh, 1% na lang.
Ano sinasabi ni Eliana yung confidence mo?
Wait lang.